Hi, Heather McClaren here with Long Realty in Tucson, Arizona, coming to you for the Friday update. So some of you may have been expecting Chat with an Appraiser this week, but our amazing appraiser, who's been doing work for decades in Tucson, is getting together some awesome content for you guys. So he is actually going to be coming on the show in a few weeks, okay? So we actually have a wonderful opportunity to speak with Copper Point Mortgage's Mary Mazza Abahai today, who is going to tell us a little bit about buying property in Arizona, what's involved. So let's go see if she's available, okay? All right, come on, let's go in. Hello, I was wondering if Mary Mazza Abahai is available.
She is actually. Just right this way to your right.
Oh, thank you. Okay, let's go see if she has some time to talk to us today. Oh, hi, Mary. Heather McClaren with Long Realty.
Heather.
Hi.
Welcome to the office.
Oh, thank you. Would you have a minute to speak to us today about mortgages in
Yes.
Arizona?
I sure do. Thank
Oh,
you.
fabulous. Okay.
Stopping by.
Let's sit down and talk to her. Mary, we have a nice YouTube channel here where we're trying to get some information to the public on purchasing mortgages in Arizona, and we were hoping you could give us a little information. What's the difference between a realtor and a mortgage loan originator? And could you tell us a little bit about yourself and what you do here?
Yes. Hi, I'm Mary Mazza Abahai from Copper Point Mortgage. I've been in the business as a loan origination, helping people, as a loan originator, helping people buy homes here in the Tucson market. So I've got a lot of experience. It's been 25 years. And I was glad that Heather asked me to join the show today. I really appreciate it, the opportunity. And so the first thing I wanted to just kind of talk to you about was what's the difference between a real estate agent and a loan originator? So when you work with a real estate agent, the first things you're going to be doing with them is talking about your hopes and your dreams, where you want to buy, this type of house, how many bedrooms, bathrooms, locations, schools, all of those things. And then you're going to be turned over, referred to a loan originator. I'm going to be the person that helps you with your mortgage. I'm going to be the person that's going to ask you all of the questions that I need to know so we can make sure that your hopes and dreams can be met, that we're going to get you pre-qualified and ready to get out there shopping for a home. And I'll take you from step number one, which is our initial talk, all the way through the closing of the transaction where you're actually going to receive your keys and move into your new home.
Awesome. Well, and it's different in every state. So some of the information you're going to hear today just pertains to Arizona.
Correct.
And tell us a little bit more about it. I know sometimes people are nervous to call you and talk to a lender. They're scared about what they're going to need to tell you about or produce, or they may not make enough to buy a home. How's the best way to get started?
I always recommend that you give me a call. I'm going to be the first person you talk to, and we're going to get the process started. I usually need about 15 minutes to talk with you on the phone. I'm going to ask you a bunch of questions, and I know that you're going to ask me a bunch of questions. And I'm here to listen to what your needs are and to get you pre-qualified so that when you're out there looking for the home, that it's going to meet your, goals for purchasing a home. And so what we're going to do is have a strategy session. And this is where I think experience really comes into play. Since I've been in the business a long time, I've helped a lot of borrowers go through many things. We're going to talk a lot about your personal items. And these are the items that you may not discuss with your real estate agent. And I'm going to be your trusted resource when you have questions and things that come up. And with that, I'll get your application into the system. We run it through an automated program so that we know that where we're going and which direction to get you ready to go for the purchase of a home. And I want to make that as easy as possible for you. So we'll be talking about in a later video documentation that you should be preparing.
Oh yeah, there's lots of documents that if you have them ready ahead of time, it's going to make your life a little easier, as well as certain things you definitely don't want to do, right? If you're going to be getting ready to purchase a home soon. And Arizona even has some really neat programs that give you grant money when you're buying a home. Sometimes specifically targeted at first-time home buyers.
Correct.
Right, Mary?
Yes.
So we'll come back at a later date and we're going to talk more in depth about some of these. And Mary's agreed to actually do a pre-qualification interview with us, so you can get a sense before you even sit down with the lender what to expect, what to have with you, so it's a little less intimidating and you feel ready to go and you have more of a sense of how they actually qualify you, so you know what to be working on your own, so you know you can get the home you want. Does that sound good, Mary?
Sounds perfect. I'd really like the opportunity to help some people out, so that's a
Okay.
good first step.
Thanks, Mary. Well, thanks for sitting with us
No
today.
problem.
And we're going to come back again in future episodes and talk more about what to do to be prepared to purchase here in Arizona, okay? So thanks so much. Stay tuned for future episodes, and we'll be back next Friday with a surprise guest. Okay, have a great weekend and stay cool out there. Thanks, everybody. Bye.